What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Super Duty is back in the videos. What do you guys think of this new tint? Check that out, eh? Let me know what you guys think. So we got 15% ceramic. We did a nice brow on it. And then this is 35% ceramic on the front. And then I did 5% ceramic on the rears, plus the whole back window. This thing is dark. Oh, what do we got in there? Well, that might be the title of the video, but it's actually not bad when you're inside the truck. And then of course you have the front windows. There's the brow. The brow's a little bit small. I would have gone a little bit longer, but really, I'm into this, and like, it's honestly really good. There's not a ton of difference between the front, which that's a 15%, that's nothing, and then that's 35. Let me know what you guys think of the truck all tinted up. This was all done by Fine Line Designs out of Drayton. Oh yeah, then I got the sunroof done. That's in 5% as well. Yeah, the 20 I never had tinted, but this truck we definitely went ahead and did that first thing. So you probably already see the boxes sitting behind me, but that's the point of this video, as you probably saw in the title. So let's get out of this thing because it's freaking hot out today. It's like over 30 degrees. It's just cooking, but let's go ahead, let's grab some of this stuff. Ooh, lawn tractor parts. That is not part of this video. But, what does that say? Alpharex. Let me get this out and we'll do some unboxing. Well, these are pretty big boxes, guys. So we have our Alpharex headlights, made in China apparently. So you guys will see those real quick, but we're gonna start with these. These are taillights. There's your numbers. These are their smoke taillights for this truck. So we're gonna start with that, but we're gonna do the full unboxing. We'll get that, and then we'll do the taillights quick. Okay, guys. So we got taillights. Of course, they're in the bag still, but we showed you the part number on those. These are one of the brightest headlights on the market, probably one of the best looking for this year truck, in my opinion, especially right out of the box, without paint matching all the other extras that you can add to these. But these, as like a direct bolt-on, ready to go, these are awesome. So these are their Nova series black projectors. These are, when you ask them what is the best of the best of the best that you guys offer, that's these guys, 100%. I picked these up. They were on sale, 4th of July sale. I actually got a pretty good deal on these headlights. Shipped to Canada, we were under 2,000 bucks, or maybe right over. I can't really remember, but I think it was like $1,500 US. So that's how bad inflation is. But like I said, let's start with these rears. Taillights to pop out, super easy, guys. You got two bolts. I think those are 18. Take those, just give this a tug, they pop out. So let's go ahead, let's get the rears done. Okay, so I'm getting these installed. Now, one thing you do have to transfer, guys, is your plug for the center light. That's this kind of orange pink guy. This little harness plugs into there, and then of course you have to put your socket back in. Now if you're looking for kind of an orientation where the lock tab is, that's your red wire. So I'll just zoom out a little. So then that just twists into here. Get your wires kind of tucked away. and then you just twist into place. I'll twist that. Now, the only thing I didn't know is I wasn't sure what kind of bulbs it came with, so I don't have LED reverse light right now. So for a couple days it'll look retarded. We're just gonna run these normal ones, and then once I get some, or maybe I might actually have some white ones we'll throw in here. But this, instead of being up top, you just have to bend it. It'll go down, and then that goes into this bottom socket, and there you guys go. Super simple to do. They pop in, pop out just like factories. They look like really good quality, guys. And then the nice thing is they're put together with screws. So if you ever wanted these redone, paint matched, which, come on, those look awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get them in, and then we'll give you a little teaser here. So that'll be running light, and then brake light. Fellas, what do you think of those? That honestly looks so good. Now, once it gets a little darker, we'll be able to do like a full show of them, but hoo-wee! Fitment, the quality on these, absolutely just perfect. They fit real good. They fit almost better than the factories did. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. But it's kind of cool. Alpharex is somewhat new, but not really. But you don't really see these up in Canada. You're more common to see like Morimotos, but I just love this. So I'm going to actually do live time with you guys on this one. And then I'll speed it up when we get to places. But we'll get one headlight out. I'll show you guys how to do that. First, right off the bat, get your hood open. Now, ooh, check this out. Just picked this bad boy up. Milwaukee Fuel. This is an M12 deal. Little battery and whatnot. Been looking at buying electric ratchet for a long time. Finally pulled the trigger, and I just got this. So this is the first project with it. So far, I like it. But onto this. So you got 4 bolts. They're 10 mil. You want to do that, and then you need a long pick to get this. So now that you got your bolts out, guys, get a long pick like this. There's little clips down here. If I remember correctly. Some of them break. You just kind of gotta try it open. Last one can be dangerous. So now you got this off, right? So you got a 10 mil here, got another 10 mil there, and then you got a 10 mil here. Super easy. Or is there one down here? Yeah. So there is one more right in there. Now, comes out easy. So I'm pretty sure we're going to utilize the same kind of setup as we did on this last one. So look in here. Got to transfer a few things. Luckily, that bulb was burnt. Let this rest like this so I can show you guys what I need to do here. So obviously, your plugs will match up to your plugs. It's pretty standard. There's not going to be much there that you can deviate from. And then this, I do believe, you have times like that, just use a screwdriver. Gentle, gentle, guys. That comes right out. And then this has to go back in. So there's another LED bulb that I gotta find. This one just goes into here. And then I'm pretty sure this will clip on here. Like so. And this clips into this harness. You gotta really get it to clip on. There we go. So now, I know there's a white wire here. I want to say that this is for the daytime running light section. So, and of course we gotta deal with that. Oh yeah. Check that out. Check out how solid that beam is. It is. There's broad daylight over there, boys. What do you guys think? Now, yes, we are going to do a little bit of stuff once it gets a little dark out. You'll see that in the end of this video. Another look at the taillights. One more thing we're going to add at the end of this video, and I might put in another video as well. Let me just shut this thing off. Goes back to auto. Love that. Oh, turn the fucking 4x off. Alright, so these little marker lights, I picked some of these up off Amazon. Super cheap, made in China's, but they're just blacked out. So they're yellow for the front and then red for the back. Some change these out quick. So super easy to do, guys, to change these. Honestly, you have this big daily fender, inner fender plastic thing. Just grab it. Just pull it out of your way. Just like that. Now that you're in there, you can get to the back of that. I'll just set you guys here. It's coming from the back. You can grab it. There's a little bit of a spot where you gotta pry out, which takes a little bit of finesse. You might need a pick, but you kind of get in here, push out, and then you can get in. There's a little lever that if you assist, then that comes out really well. And of course I did it too much. Okay, so now this one's full of mud, full of dirt and other shit. You just gotta wiggle it. Now you might have to go in, just help pop the tab up for the connector. Just like that. And you work it out. Takes a little bit of finesse, guys, but you can get it out. And then the new ones, these are marked just red or yellow. Red goes on the back. Grab your plug, have it kind of figured out which way it goes. Now it has to go back the same way it came out, which this one was in a upside down, surprisingly. And you just push it in. And then plug your little guy in. There we go. Now we'll do the front one. Same thing, guys. It's super easy, super quick to do. The kind of gross because they're in a wall. Quick stiff. Wiggling is your friend. You clean the dirt. So this one, backwards. Oh, sure. You do that. There you go. And then, if you have an issue, you can get them back in. Just use your pick. I'll push this little thing back in. Right up there. A little whack. I don't know what the deal is on this one. I get out of backwards. There we go. Now for the test. Boom. So they both work. They look good. Pair it up. So nice, guys. I think these were under like 30 bucks, and this is a great look to add. So now you just pop your fender back up and away you go. So I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys, if you have one of these trucks, take the time, buy all these little lights, find them on Amazon if you're looking for just markers, stuff like that. But if you're buying headlights, spend the money and get the good quality ones. Don't cheap out, because you won't have issues if you spend good money. Plus these have a wicked warranty. I think they're 5-year. And yeah, pretty excited about it. So we're gonna roll a montage for the end of this video. But thanks again for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We're pretty close to almost 2,000 subs, so let's get us there.